my channel. This is me, Swetha. I have another video for you guys, and this is a very simple quick makeup tutorial for every day if you're going to office or college, just using like 4 to 5 products. And it's my genuine everyday routine because I'm actually going to office. So before that, I just took my camera and just filmed how I get ready for office. So let's get started. So first of all, I'm gonna apply this wow sunscreen lotion. I've been loving this product so much. So I've been using this for a very long time now, and I have amazing results from it. So I'm gonna use that. I use that every day because like you need sunscreen when you go outside. Even when you're inside, you're supposed to wear sunscreen every day so that you'll protect your skin. So moving on, the next thing that I do is, as this sunscreen is a bit oily, I have oily skin as well, so I need to put some powder to set it. So what I use is the Lakme 9 to 5 primer plus matte powder foundation, so that you don't need anything else, you just need this product. So I love this because it's a foundation, it's a powder, it's everything with a primer, so it's pretty good. So if you don't want to put makeup on, like if you don't want a foundation on your face, you can just use any powder or any loose powder or even talcum powder if you want, just to matte your skin. But then I recommend this one because that's what I do. And yeah, I take this this is in the shade Honey Dew. All of you guys used to ask me each and every video what is the shade. You just have to look in the description box to see the details of the product. And yeah, I'm gonna use this. So it comes with the sponge, so it's really easy to apply it with the sponge. So just take the product and apply it all over your face, especially the area where you get really oily. So it has a medium to buildable coverage. So if you're going somewhere nice and you need like really good coverage, you can use more than one layers, and you can make good coverage out of it. This is all I do to make my skin matte. So this is the new eyebrow pencil that I'm trying out. This is Maybelline New York Fashion Brow Cream Pencil. This is in the shade dark brown. It's really dark, and if you want like really dark brown eyebrow pencil, go for this. And this is a pencil that you have to sharpen. So I just touch my eyebrows. No, eyebrows is something that I'm just kidding. Eyebrows is something that I do really well because I have no eyebrows at all. Without my eyebrows done, I look like somebody else. People won't recognize me. See the difference? See the difference? I have no eyebrows at all. So basically, I'm actually going to office right now and I'm pretty late. But I had to show you guys the actual daily routine that I'm going through. When you when you take a video not for the office, you tend to use more products to make yourself look beautiful. But this, I'm actually going to office, so I'm just gonna show you guys the genuine routine that I go through every day. And yeah, I use the spoolie to blend it out so that there is no harsh lines. As you can see, it's pretty dark and I kind of like it. If you guys don't like full brows, it's totally okay. I just love full brows. That's why I always use dark pencils, and I make it really thick. If you guys want to make it really thin, it's okay, it's up to you. My eyebrows are done, and the next thing that I do is the eyeliner that I use, the Lakme liquid liner, always. And I've been using this for a very long time. You guys know if you're following me for a while because I always use this. And I'm going for a simple line, not very fancy because I'm going to office. so I have to look formal as well. And then what I do is my mascara, that is from Maybelline Falsie mascara. So this completes the look. Even if you don't have an eyeliner, you just need a mascara because it actually opens your eyes, especially when you go to office and all. You just woke up, so your eyes will be really like very sleepy. So if you apply like a mascara, it's gonna make a difference. That's it, you guys, that's it. Now what I do is my go-to favorite lipstick right now is this Maybelline Nude. What is this? Okay, the Maybelline Creamy Mattes Nudes, which came out recently. It's a new edition. It's available on Nykaa, I guess, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, it's available on Nykaa, and this one is in the shade Chilli Nude MNU09. So I love the shade. It has a little orange tint to it, and I love it. So that's the color. It's really pretty. So you guys, this is like creamy matte, so it's not that long lasting, but then it's really comfortable on your lips. I love this kind of consistency for lipsticks. I love creamy lipsticks. Even I don't mind reapplying it every 10 minutes. I don't mind that, but still I'm not saying that you have to reapply this every 10 minutes. I'm just saying that I have a habit of reapplying lipsticks every 10 minutes. But yeah, I love this shade. It has an orange tint to it, orangey nude, and it's perfect for Indian skin tone like mine. And this is all I do when I go to office. And then what I do with my hair is sometimes I leave it open, or I just go for a ponytail. I'll show you guys once. So I go for a simple ponytail like this. You can see Oreo right there. So a lot of you guys were like, you miss Oreo. Ori! Hi! 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 This is what I do on a daily basis. This is all I do. So it's just sunscreen, powder foundation, eyebrows, eyeliner, mascara and lipstick. So that's all I do. This is a very simple everyday genuine routine that I do every day. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Ori, give it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel if you're new here. I'll be posting videos every Monday. I'll see you guys next Monday. Till then, keep smiling, be happy. I love you guys.